So up next, we're going to identify unit fractions. A unit fraction is just a fraction with a 1 on the numerator. It means that there is only one of whatever the fraction is. 1/3 in this case, 1/6 in the case of A here, which is not the correct answer, but that is what that is. A unit fraction means 1 over something. And that's going to come up a lot. The word unit means 1, right? Una is a prefix that means 1. So the one that has 1/3 of its area shaded would be C. This one has 2 pieces, and I'm going to assume that they're equal from here going forward. So it's actually going to ask us this time to put the fraction into the box for the first time, right? Up until now, it's been all multiple choice. Now, to get a fraction in Khan Academy, you can go 1, and then you can hit the slash that's right by the right shift, and then 2. And of course, the site gives you a little bit of an idea of how that's supposed to look. 1/2 is correct. We're moving on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 8 pieces of cookie. So this is just, making sure we recognize the numerator and the denominator. The thing on the top is what counts. The thing on the bottom is what tells us how much each piece is. Chloe cuts the lasagna into 4 equal-sized pieces. Oh no, her dog eats one section. Man, they had a perfect chance to make a Garfield joke here, but they didn't. Oh well. Even with the orange, it would have worked perfectly. Oh well. They didn't ask me. What fraction did her dog eat? Well, it was 1 piece out of 4 equal pieces. And by the way, that phrase out of, 1 piece out of 4 pieces, that out of also means divided by, which also means fraction. You work with fractions all the time and proportions and ratios all the time without even realizing it. It is the biggest thing in math that has effect on real world everything. Everything is multiplication and division in fractions to one degree or another. Which one has 1/3 of its area shaded? That one looks like 1/6 for A, 1/4 for B. C looks like 1/3, and you'll notice that C is split up in a different way. Instead of having this central point, which it gets cut around, it is instead cut straight horizontally into 3 spots. But that didn't work with the circle, and that's something to think about. Why does it seem to work for some shapes and not for others? Something to think about. Something to ask your kids about, and just talk about it. It's just dank. Inequalities are absolutely coming up. But it's going to be a little bit, I'm afraid. I'm still working my way through 3rd grade. What fraction of the area of the rectangle is shaded? 1 out of 4, 1/4. I think I have a video on inequalities somewhere, though. I'll try to dig it up and whisper it to you on Twitch if I have it. Yeah, I got you, Dank, and that's kind of what I'm here for. In fact, if you shoot me a message on Twitch, I will be happy to help you out in any way that you need when I'm off stream. That's totally what I'm here for. I've got the time. What fraction of the cookie is 1 piece? So it is 3 pieces, and again, it's okay that the chocolate chips are not all in the same place. It's fine that there are 3 chips on this one. Not a big deal. Each one is 1/3, 1 out of 3. And that's that. Yeah, Dank, I get you. Especially in this time of distance learning, it's not easy. It's really not easy, and that's why I do these. And the only reason I haven't started doing equations and inequalities already is because I wanted to make sure I started at the very, very, very beginning and work my way up. And unfortunately, these things take time. But do not worry. One way or the other, I will be definitely getting there, hopefully soon. And yeah, best of luck, my friend. I know it's really rough. Even when you have like in-person classes with a good teacher, it can still be really rough. So right now, I can't even imagine.